KTAuthentics Sports memorabilia and cards. Scott is going to do a chrome. Oh, this is... Otani Hunting. One through 12, Scott. Well, we got soccer, Stan. It's $80. I'll do 3 silver packs, 2 hitbox pulls. Frank said he's in. I know Sox wants to do it. Erica wanted to do it the other day, but I don't know if she's around. I don't know if we're going to do any chrome. I'm going to try and fill that soccer, guys, because chrome will always fill. Sit here and do divisions on chrome on that. We'll do that tomorrow. Got some shipping to do too. Scott, you want all cards? Box 4. So much shipping to do from Nationals. Oh, man. Huh? Yes. So your stuff is, a week old. So it's got to get done. Division, T-Jeff? Oh, you'll be home in 10 minutes? Alright. Frank, do you want one in the soccer? Socks. So I got 8 left in the soccer. Erica said 2 for sure. At $80 a spot. Frank wants 2, so there'd be 6 left in the soccer, guys. 6 left in the soccer. Alright, we got Ozzy Albies, Bradley Zimmer, Freeman Refractor, Hyper Encarnacion, Victor Robles Rookie, Throwback, Stevenson Rookie, Cisco Rookie, Kimbrel Refractor, Andahar Rookie, and Brandon Woodruff. Alright, we got 5 left in soccer, guys. 5 left in soccer, $80, random serial number. Random serial number in soccer. Yep, 5 left in soccer. We can do that, guys. I will do 3 silvers and 2 hitbox pulls per. Lindor. Gomez. Calhoun. Nice. Reese. Hyper. That's a nice one. What are you doing?
The phone was really stuck to the wall, so it's easy to spray on it because of the stick. I noticed it gets just lifting off and I was like,
Rosario. It's a full case of 2016 Select Soccer, Lonnie. Random serial number. Acuna rookie. I'll give away 3 silver packs and 2 hitbox pulls. Bridwell, Allen, per spot. Vader, Yuli, Minter, Sanchez. Green, Cespedes. Green Wave out of 99. Brandon Woodruff will be signing in everything, Scott. It's crazy. So there's 5 left in soccer, guys. Nick Williams. Franco's nothing. Freed. Mookie. And 400 of 499 for the Cincinnati Reds. Can you not do any more? It smells it. Jackson Stevens. Each spot gets 3 silver packs and 2 hitbox pulls, Lonnie. So I'm giving away 30 silver packs and 20 hitbox pulls. So everyone gets 5 bonuses for that break. Alright, Scott, let me know if you want to do another one. Because that was not the best box in the world. Alright, Lonnie takes 2. There are 3 left. 3 left. Later, Craven. Alright. So let me random the names and the numbers. So I got Bagger. Bagger, Frank, Socks Breaker, 1, 2. Lonnie, 3 left. Stan will take 1, 2 left. Alright, I'll make sure she puts a frown on him for you. You can take a spot in the store, Stan. I put it up in the store. 2 left. Two left. So that's this break, guys. I'll do 3 silver packs and 2 hitbox pulls. 2 left, $80. 2 left, $80. We do have to wait for Erica to get home, so that's like maybe. Like 5 minutes. Right. 2 left. It was under my cost, guys. And giveaways. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2 left. No problem, Lonnie, thank you. One more, 1 left. Thank you, Frank. One left. Boom. 1 left. Alright. Anybody? 1 left. Appreciate it, guys. And I'll do the. I haven't mixed in the silver pack stuff, so Hitbox is still really good with all the gold stuff. I mean, there's a lot of 101s from the silver that we opened, so I think it's still really strong, but it's super strong right now with just all the golds. All right, Lonnie, I got your 2. Stan, I got your 1. Thank you. 1 left, gentlemen. 1 left, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. We are doing this soccer break. If you want to start paying through the store, those are the spots in there. I don't think that's right, but we'll figure it out. So socks, if you want to send. This is going to fill, guys. And as always, guys, we random the names and the numbers. Who wants it, Lonnie or Erica? Lonnie, you were first. So if you're just trying to help Phil and you want Erica to have it, it doesn't matter to me. Yeah, 3 people for 1 spot. Jesus. I think Lonnie got it. That would be mine. So. Alright, we're full. Yep. Sorry, Scott. The delays are really weird, man. I'm sorry. You might have been... I have no idea. So. Yeah, because we would fill it in the room like this. Socks would be like, oh, I'll take 1 if it fills. I'll take 2 if it fills. And we'd get down to like 6. Alright. So, I got Lonnie's 2, Stan's 1, Socks 1. If you need to go through the store, let me know. If you pay direct, let me know. We are full. Just more to ship tomorrow.
Mm-hmm.
Should have done with that break like 2 hours.
I know. There's no good to nag at me.
Second shot on 1. And this one nearly spun back in. You can tap that in for birdie. Another putt for birdie.
I know, Scott. Alright. Paid store, Frank? Alright. No problem. Frank, you did good. You did good in that first half. Alright, that one is full. Alright, so I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I just need Lonnie's and Erica's too. Sent direct. Alright, thank you, Erica. And this one is Scott. I think I might still be recording Scott's break. Yep, totally.